All right, we're back in Oklahoma looking for artifacts. Conditions are good. It's raining. It's been raining heavy all morning. There's a lot of rocks exposed, so hopefully we find something cool. I'll get back with you if we find anything awesome. All right, I'm in Oklahoma, finding tons of flakes. I think I got something right here. I don't know. Maybe not. It looked like a tool. I don't know. It might be a tool or something. It's definitely a good piece of material. I'll bring it back to the house and clean it up. If I find anything else, we'll get back to you. I think I might have found something. I don't want to get my hopes up. But so I bent down to pick up this flake right here. And it's got, really pretty colors. I'm looking at it. And I look to the left. That looks like an arrowhead. Right there. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, that is so small, guys. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. I knew I was gonna find one. It's like pouring rain down here, but I did not expect to find one this nice. That is a whole arrowhead. Oh, heck yeah. Oh my God, I'm so freaking pumped. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Wow. If I find anything else, I'll get back to you. You guys, I'm so happy. I don't really know what to say. I knew coming out here in the rain would be good. We didn't even know it was supposed to rain here today, but I don't know if I would have found this if it hadn't rained. I feel extremely lucky it's whole. I just found my first arrowhead of the year, a little over a week ago, but not long ago. So to find another full one like this, I'm just so happy, so excited. It's a good year so far. I'm gonna look a little bit longer. If I find anything else, I'll get back to you.